Hey, what's up everybody? Welcome back to the Super Vegans recipe page with Coach Aaron. Coach Aaron here, and we got a very tasty recipe that you can either use for meal prep or you could just make with the family, right? So we're gonna do some Seitan Tacos today, and they taste amazing, all right? But I'm gonna ask you for a favor. Always make sure you please subscribe to the channel, like the video, and comment. Especially if you have any questions, just put them in the comments and I'll get back to you, all right? So for today's menu, what do we have? We have Seitan Tacos, all right? So I'm gonna use some seitan. We're gonna chop that up really tiny, all right, into little pieces. And then we are going to flavor that with some ground cumin and some smoked paprika, okay? And then I'm gonna put a little bit of salt to taste. Also got these low carb whole wheat tortillas. Doesn't matter, you can use corn, you can use wheat, it doesn't really matter, okay? And then we got that Trader Joe's avocado guacamole to go, all right? And the reason I use this is because it comes in single packs, right? 6 packs in this box, and each pack is only 120 calories. The reason I do that is because I don't want to overdo it on my calories and just put a bunch of avocado on my taco and don't know how many calories I'm eating. So, single packs. We're gonna add some salsa, and then we are going to put some cabbage on top. All right, so let's get to it. All right, guys, so we got the seitan chopped up. So if you see, I chopped it into small pieces, right? I want to get it like tiny pieces, so when I'm eating my tacos, I don't want big chunks in my taco. I don't like that. So now what we're gonna do is we're going to put some seasoning on it to get this tasting amazing, all right? So we're gonna put some ground cumin on it, and then we're gonna put some smoked paprika. We're gonna just stir this up and just get the seasoning all over it. All right, so once you get the seasoning on this and it's fully coated, let it sit for a while. Let it sit for about 5 minutes, and then after that you can put it in the pan and sear it, so you get a good sear on it, get it a little bit crispy, and then you're ready to start eating. Now, since we got the seasoning on it, it's set for a while, so now we're just gonna put this in pan, all right? And we wanna just get a good sear on this, okay? We want it to get a little crispy for the tacos. So we're just gonna let this sit here, sear, and then once this is done, what we're gonna do is we're just gonna heat up the tortillas, and then we're gonna just build out the tacos. Now, we're gonna just warm up the tortillas, and then we'll start building out the tacos. So usually what I do is I just like throw some tortillas on like a little skillet thing like this and then just let them warm up on each side, and then after that, then what we'll do is we'll build out the tacos with the seitan, the guacamole, the salsa, the cabbage, and then we're good to go. We are now at the end of this recipe. Everything is out and ready to build. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna just take some of the seitan, put that on right there. So I'm gonna take some of the cabbage and put some of the cabbage on. I don't like that much cabbage on mine. And then I'm gonna put some salsa on these bad boys. Okay, and then we're going to put some guacamole on. Right there. Oops, got that on my hand. Okay. And then, so I didn't talk about this, but I have some vegan cheese here, so I'm gonna add some vegan cheese to my tacos. I got some now. Just a little bit, right? Give it some flair. So now we have our Seitan Tacos, and I'm going to take a bite. It's really good. The smoked paprika gives it a little bit of kick. Really good. So those are the Seitan Tacos. Really, really good. I was surprised, right? It doesn't look like it's the best taco in the world. You know, it's not the prettiest taco in the world, but the flavor is really, really good. So if you try these tacos, let me know in the comments how it turned out for you. And always don't forget to subscribe to our channel, like, comment on the videos, and hit that bell. All right? I'll be back again with another video soon.